Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin as we're heading here into the weekend on Saturday. All patterns did hold throughout here. Yeah, they did hold into the weekend. Very important to understand. Yeah, so we don't really have a decision yet. With the reversal out of my target area, all we know now is that the bullish count is still valid. Yeah, we talked about that. We said yesterday in my video earlier yesterday, we talked about the price getting probably into this green area, which then also happened. And here was a key decision moment. So had we just gone through, then I would have removed that bullish breakout count, Elliott Wave count, from the chart. As always, Bitcoin doesn't make it easy. So Bitcoin, of course, decided to reverse, which means that, but it didn't reverse enough and it didn't spike enough to remove the imminently bearish count. So again, we are still in the range. We haven't got really a decision. I mean, we had some sort of a decision, which is that Bitcoin would like to keep its options open for the bullish count, which doesn't really help us, does it? It doesn't make things clearer. But one thing is clear, which is that these two counts are still possible. So this is possible. And to keep it simple, to keep it very simple, you need to understand, again, I just remind you that a breakout above the 20,200 level would not be bullish yet, but it would increase the likelihood of it. And my first take would be to have an extended wave 2. Okay. However, if we then move on and break above the 22,100 level, then I will start to believe that we had a so-called truncated low, that the more relevant bottom was in here, and that the bear market could have ended already. But at the moment, I don't see that yet. I don't believe it yet. The chances for that are low. I would only give it maybe a 35% probability, such a bullish breakout above 22,100. I'm rather focused on the downside. So that move yesterday so that reversal out of this area still enables us to count this bullish. But as I said yesterday in the video, it's unlikely to go through it straight away. So what we'll probably see, so the bearish count anyway, let me just start. The bearish count anyway is here. I won't show the entire count again, but it's a 5-wave move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we complete a wave C of a wave 5 in this case, okay? If we look at this, we can see that we are most likely in the wave 3. The longer this takes, the less likely it is that we're in a wave 3, because a wave 3 should normally be a very bearish wave. So there is a chance that at some point I will change this. But even in this wave 3, this consists of 3 waves, A, B, and C. And in the C wave, we have 5 waves. So that means the way to count this would be 1, 2 bearish, Then now the 3 would be coming, 4 and 5. As you can see, this then would be the 3 of the 3. This wave, But again, it doesn't happen in one wave. So as I said to you yesterday, we'll probably also get within that wave 3 a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But to keep this alive, it must not move above the $19,530 level. If it does that, this imminently bearish count will not be kept alive, but it wouldn't change the overall downtrend, okay? We'll just sort of, as I always say, those lower level fractals, they are quite fragile. They can change frequently. So what we need to understand, again, above 20,200, we can look at a larger breakout to the upside. Confirmation that we will go down, in my opinion, would be if we break below that $18,430 level and then targeting around $17,000. So this is where we are at the moment. Bullish count would be here, possible breakout sketched as well. I talked about that because this can be counted as 5 waves up very clearly. And now we see this, I don't really like the structure here, but we could count it as a corrective wave down. And now this could already be a first impulse up, bull flag, and we push higher. So as soon as we break above that 19,536 level, we need to pay more attention, but really until we break above the 20,200 level, don't need to push it too much. Interesting, just from a general, trend line pattern point of view, we might be moving here into some kind of an apex. So I might have to find a way eventually to count this as a triangle, which would eventually break to the downside. That's very interesting. So we need to keep an eye out for that. And based on this, we would now come down again into the region 18,680. Yeah, if we want to pay attention to the triangle, and might bounce here throughout the weekend. Saturday is normally a little bit of a quiet day, so this is an interesting pattern to have on your chart, right? And the breakout, of course, can be traded if you choose to do so. But yeah, that's where we are. There isn't much news, so I won't make the video longer than necessary. I hope you liked the update. Enjoy your Saturday. If you like the update, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And also make sure that you check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.